Today's first question is, which is the most commonly fractured bone in human body? Which is the most commonly fractured bone in human body? And the answer is clavicle or collarbone. Let's move on to the second question. Which is the strongest ligament of the upper limb? Strongest ligament of upper limb. And the answer is coracoclavicular ligament. Next question. Which is the thickest border of scapula? And the answer is lateral border. Lateral border of the scapula is the thickest border. Our next question is, most commonly fractured carpal bone. Which is the most commonly fractured carpal bone? And the answer is scaphoid. Scaphoid is the most commonly fractured carpal bone. Our next question is, which is the most commonly dislocated carpal bone? Which is the most commonly dislocated carpal bone? And the answer is lunate. The moon shaped carpal bone, lunate, is the most commonly dislocated bone. Let's move on to the next question. Largest carpal bone. Which is the largest carpal bone? And the answer is capitate. Capitate is the largest carpal bone. Next question. First carpal bone to ossify. Which is the first carpal bone to ossify? And the answer is capitate. Again capitate. Capitate is the first carpal bone to ossify. Our eighth question. Which is the shortest metacarpal? Which is the shortest metacarpal? And the answer is first metacarpal. First metacarpal is the shortest metacarpal. Next question. Largest muscle of the pectoral region. Which is the largest muscle of pectoral region? And the answer is pectoralis major. Pectoralis major is the largest muscle in pectoral region. And the last and final question. Key muscle of pectoral region. Which is the key muscle of pectoral region? And the answer is pectoralis minor.